Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be talking about how yesterday I felt like my YouTube has started to gain some traction, so I need to maybe make a cool outro for the videos. So here is what I did. I got into YouTube, searched for tutorials on how to make this with Fusion DaVinci. So I found this guy specifically called Fenzir Films. I followed this whole process in this video. So you can see this was the final result here. So let's take a look on this video. So there's that liquid glass effect from Apple, and this subscribe button changes immediately after the mouse clicks. So you can see that. So this was a good video to learn Fusion. Actually I followed the whole process, and you can see there are a bunch of nodes here in DaVinci Fusion for this whole process. You can see that so many nodes. Yes, so just come to this guy if you want to animate yours. Follow the process, and I made an intro but from another inspiration. So that's it for me today, and see you on the next one, guys.